Welcome everyone to the Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we're going to start a topic named as phishing. So I hope you'll all be aware with the phishing, and I hope in your life minimum one time you have heard a term named as phishing. Now what phishing means is basically it's not like you catch a fish nearby to a pond, obviously, as it's IT term. The phishing means fake websites or fake web pages looking like real, and they are just a trap to catch people's usernames, passwords, banking information, credit cards, etc. So for example, if you see, this is an example, it's a page which is totally looking like a PayPal, but if you see on the top, it's not PayPal, it's PAPAI. Looks like a PayPal, but it's PAY. Last character is only one which is changed. But the rest everything looks like so original that it have that confirm your card for the shop and with the PayPal right away. So this is the top link which actually you'll be sending to people as an email to maybe you'll send to maybe thousands of people daily, and everyone nowadays use PayPal. So you'll be sending them that hello sir, and we are from the PayPal, and we have seen an unauthorized activity in your account, so please log in with your account and confirm your credit card again, so that we'll be able to verify you. So if the person clicks the link, he actually goes to the phishing page. He puts his credit card number, his banking information, or what type of phishing page you have made depends upon that, and he submits. Once he submits, the information actually goes to the hacker, and then the person is actually redirected to the real PayPal, and he sees just a message that thank you for putting your information, now you're safe. But now actually you're not safe, you're hacked now. So that's what actually a phishing is. It's fake websites, fake web pages looking like real, and they're just made to catch the inputs of the victim, maybe his credit card, maybe his usernames, passwords, etc. anything. So in this video we'll cover about a automatic phishing technique. There are so many videos we will be making on the phishing, because I'll show you how to create your manual phishing pages, how to upload them over the real hosting, so that your website would also look like the same way as it is right now. And then I'll also show you some advanced phishing in which just people clicks a link in your email and his email ID automatically gets filled. So in that case, he will trust more that where he's entering the password, they already know him. So we'll be on that later, but let's start with the very basic baby steps for the phishing. So for that, you have to go to anomore.com, as you can see on the website, anomor.com, where you have to go to sign up and create account there. It's a Arabic website, but most of the things are there in English. I go to home and I already have an account, so I'll log in. So if you see, it's login, and if you notice, they have hundreds of phishing pages already created, like of Gmail, Facebook, Skype, everything. They have already made it for you. Like if I open, like this is the 4th page, and it opens like this way. This is like an email and password of a phishing link. I can also open maybe this one, Facebook Pro, protect Facebook. So if you see, Facebook security. So you just need to send this link to your victim, and if he fills his username and password, or maybe this link, any page you look okay, you copy its link and send it to your victim. And if the victim fills any username and password, maybe john@gmail.com, password maybe 123456, if he clicks it, and that's it, he's gone. What you have to do is, you just have to go to my victims, and you'll see IP address of the victim, when the date he filled, the username and the password he filled, and on which page he filled, on the protect FB, protect Facebook one. It means it's a Facebook username and password. So it's very simple, that you just see any page looking like, and you send it to them. And if you see, they have a Yahoo page, they have Ask Yahoo. It's so they have all the phishing pages, Ask page. You just need to copy the link and send it to people. So hundreds of pages, pre-built and easy to use, simple. So in the next videos, what we will be covering is, we'll cover about how to create manually. Like here, you will not see a phishing page of a bank, maybe of American Express, maybe of a Chase Bank, or maybe any credit card, or so that you do not know actually right now that how to create your own phishing page by changing few of the codes. You do not have that knowledge. So what we will do in the next video is, we will create a phishing page from the scratch, and we will make a fake server as well on our own, where you'll be able to see what are the things you have to change and make your own phishing page looking like original. And I hope you liked the first series of the phishing, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.